All right, so not every time when you have a misfire, it's your spark plug or coil. So this car came in originally with a 3 misfire, number 1, 2, and 3. It was towed up here with an insane knock. So 2 of the coils, they were short circuit from the ground, and the plugs was cracked on the top. So we changed 2 plugs from the front and 2 of the coils. Everything seems fine. But right now, the customer have a problem. When they accelerate on the sports mode, it starts shaking and the engine light blinks. So when we check it out, so it's not always the spark plugs. So with those cracked spark plugs, the rattling and insane knock gone on the engine, it's running smooth. But there was one poor injector, which is pretty common on Mercedes from last decade. So number 1 injector was bad. We replaced it with a brand new here. So we're going to put it back in the car. It's going to be seems fine. If you guys are facing the same problem and you change your plugs and it doesn't work, give us a call. You know I'm going to fix it. All right, so we got this beautiful 2016 A4. Got some 4Motion services from us. Previously, they go to the dealerships and they got referred by a friend, and they are here now. They have 3 different cars, all German. This is the 3rd one. We're going to work on it. Previously, we done the X5 with the same customer. And also this X6 right here, it's ready to pick up by the customer. They came last week on Saturday and they make a test drive on it because they wasn't believing it's actually running. It was parked from 2 years. We make it alive. Customer drive it with the family and they enjoy it. So now they're ready to pick it up. This going to be certified probably end of this week. Need some of the TLC work underneath for the front suspension and the rear ones. We already installed the brakes, but they need something very common on BMW, Mercedes is the front end control arms and the rearward. So those 2 parts for the safety. If you guys do have any of the German cars, sit down in your driveway from past decades, years, months, or days. Don't forget, I'm Ricardo. We're happy to help you out. Do you know what happened with the B services if you have Mercedes-Benz? So we got the Monday here, all Mercedes. You're going to see E-Class here. We got the C-Class right over there. Similar for the B services. Just to let you know how it looks like. Pretty bad. Covered with all dirts inside. It's brand new yellow when it's new. So that's what happened with your cabin and outer of the engine one. So we're going to clean this one. We're going to put the new filter in this. Also, B services cover the cabin filter too, which is pretty bad. And this side is almost new. So this side, all the dust come from your engine cabin. So it's mandatory for any of the Mercedes-Benz, especially on the B services, change both of the filters. The inner ones are good for the breathing thing. If you have a kids, make sure when you go for any of the oil change, every other oil change, do change it. It's good for the health of the family. If you want similar services on Mercedes, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Also, we're going to inspect one more thing. We're going to inform the customer they need the brake service fluid flush. That's what we're going to do. And it's also a part of B services. And also we're going to check the coolant. And if your coolant is not flush under 100 clicks, you need it because it start giving a corrosion in your heater core. What exactly results is when it's a winter time, you're gonna have a barely heat comes inside because your fins got closed and nobody have an answer how it happens. Usually when you don't change your coolant on 100 clicks, that's what it happens. So any of the similar services, give us a call. We have a inventory for all filters and fluids for the Benz. Any more services? Hit us up. On to the next car. All right, so the Mystery X3 2019 with a B46 motor. It come up with all coolant and oil in one on top of the reservoir. So we cleaned up all the oil filter housing side and the transmission cooler we already checked. That was safe. Something wrong with the coolant and oil. They mix it up in thermostat, water pump, reservoir got blown out while the customer was driving. So we cleaned up other things, the damaged stuff. we're going to change. The thermostat on this is electronic, and we don't recommend the online cheap websites one. So we're going to put the OEM from BMW, new thermostat, and the water pump seems okay to test it out. We're not finalizing it. We're going to test it out, how it works, how it behaves. And also we're going to put the new reservoir cap, because that was insanely blowed out. All the threads, they was in the air. So that's what we're going to wrap it up today. And let's see, hope for the best. If anything we see again, it's mostly head gasket on this one. But finger crossed, let's see what's happening with it. If you guys do have a similar B46 motors, X1, X3, you're welcome to bring it to America Auto. We know what to do on this ones. Anything similar, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, so the weather is getting hot. So this Civic came here with an engine heat issue. When we check it out, this car what hit from the front. I don't know customer know it or not, but we check it out. So the rad on this one and the condenser, they bent almost 3-inch back and they block the fan. So the fan is seized right now. I don't know from how long it's sitting like right, because the temperature is 30 from this week. And this car got 3 times heated up. It's a 1.5 liter turbo. God knows the gasket is okay or not. But what we see from the eyes is the rad and the condenser, they got just pushed the fan back, unable to rotate it. So right now this car needs a new rad, new condenser, also probably the fan, because fan is seized right now. And other thing is the thermostat on this one, it's blown. That's what we're going to replace it. If you guys do have any of the issues regarding engine heat, do not forget America Auto. We're happy to help you out. Also, this customer mentioned they have a cooling problem. So once we're gonna done with the heat issue on this one, then we start working on what's wrong with the cooling issue on this one. As you see, it's a custom bumper from the front. Even the grill is a custom on this. So before we're gonna dig it up to the job, we need to inform the customer this is something happened. The front safety bar is bent probably 3 inches inside. So they don't know, because somebody sell it like this. They can't see. It's a lady driver car. So before you buying any of the cars, make sure you get a authentic inspection from shop like America Auto. You're not gonna stuck like this. A lot of cars, when the customer they bought it, they bring it to the shop, and then we'll see there's a 2 different tones of the color. Like this is white, this is a little bit of yellowish white. So anybody can see clearly, but most of the time, customer when they bought the car, they are so excited on the car, because this car came in with a lower mode, the front custom bumper grill, and there's a spoiler in the back. That is enough for any customer to get fooled around. So whenever you buy something like this, make sure you're going to come to America Auto. We'll make sure we'll let you know what your car needs to get past safety on it. And one more thing, we got a bunch of people run into the shop and they want their car to get certified, and they bring their own parts full of the pockets. Oh, I have my own parts. We don't work like that way. If you have your own parts, good luck with the other shop. We are not going to issue any of the safety to you. You're not welcome here. We only use our own parts. That's a Ontario policy. We are stand behind our parts and your safety. If we do any safety, parts going to be provided by America Auto. Absolutely no customer parts. Thank you.